Hello guys, and welcome back to another OSO tutorial. In this video I will show you how to apply the hidden mode in OSO. First of all, what is really the hidden mode and what can it help you with? Let's open up a game, for example this beat map, and let's play it on normal play. So as you can see, I'm playing it on normal play. Wait, I'm actually not on the normal one. Let's make it on the normal one now. And I think now it will be on a normal one. Yep, it is on a normal one. So as you can see, I'm playing it normally. The circles are showing, the sliders are showing, like they are not hiding, they are not, nothing happened exactly onto this map, and you can play it like pretty I can play it by myself pretty decently without failing or stuff like that. But I can fail because I'm recording. I'm not so good about recording and playing the game at the same time. But for you guys, I think you'll be able to do so, to play it and get your S or whatever it is. But what does the hidden mode help you with is to gain more PP, but it will make your game much harder. So for example, let's click on hidden and then click on this map again to see the results. Make sure that it showed up in here on the top right corner. That means that the mode is currently working. If it didn't show up at the beginning of your map, that means you have failed at doing something. So rewatch the video and make sure to follow the steps step by step. Now let's get ahead and watch this. As you can see, the circles are hidden. They are like disappearing so fast, and it's really hard for you to remember where the circles, where they were, what happened to them, how many times you should click. So it's really makes your memory very strong, and it will make your game more interesting somehow, but at the same time will make it hard, more challenging. And for the hardcore players, they will find it kind of amusing for them, but for anybody else, they will not be the thing for them, because it's so hard to remember all of these circles, especially on the hard mode, like the 5 stars or 6 stars more, or even higher modes. So that was today's tutorial, guys. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thanks for watching.